Quiet on set. Action.
Is this okay? Is it too bright? Too dark. Too formal. I'm gonna be late. I guess I'll just wear this. Should I have some oatmeal, cereal, or maybe some waffles?
Can't decide what you're gonna eat?
What, Chip? Leave me alone.
You just can't spend your life overthinking. Just choose. See? Easy.
Shut up.
Why are you going dressed like that?
I'm going to the forest on an adventure.
Oh, the forest? To be careful.
Wait, why should I be careful? Why, Chip? Who's there? It's gonna kill me. Gotta get rid of this monster before I harm someone.
Hello, what are you up to?
I'm trying to find a monster and get rid of it before I hurt someone.
You should give it a name.
And maybe the forest thing. How about the pine tree ghoul? Nah. What about the woodchipper? Yeah, that's it. Wait, why are you still talking to me?
Why don't you want to be my friend?
Because you can be a kidnapper, killer, werewolf, vampire. I don't know.
Do you always overthink like that? I'm none of those. Let me help you find the monster. It's not safe to walk alone.
I'm okay, thanks. I'll do this alone. What was that? Where'd he go? What do I do? Do I go alone? Do I call someone? I hate this overthinking. I need help. It's my fault why we got taken. If I just let him come with me, this would have never had happened. No, I need to stop overthinking. I have to lower the woodchipper. I've heard whistling works.
Hi, Perdita.
What's going on?
Isn't it obvious? I'm the Woodchipper.
So I was right. You're the killer.
I'm not a killer. You were just overthinking so much I didn't know how to tell you without scaring you. I was never going to hurt you. Or anyone. It gets lonely here in the forest. All I wanted was a friend.
I'm always coming up with so many different scenarios, always overthinking, and that can make me misinterpret a lot. I really need to stop doing that. I'm sorry for assuming you wanted to hurt people. Do you want to be friends?
Wow, that was a fast decision.
I have stuff to do. There's no time to overthink.
Happy to see that, sis.
I'm going on an adventure with YB. You want to meet him?
Count me in.